In the immense silence of the universe, two neutron stars enter a death dance, spiraling closer, destined to collide. This cosmic ballet is not just a spectacle, but a crucible for the universe's most precious metals. As these celestial titans draw nearer, they distort the very fabric of space-time, sending gravitational waves across the cosmos, an invisible herald of the impending cataclysm. The moment of collision unleashes unimaginable energy, with gamma-ray bursts piercing the cosmos, signaling the creation of new elements in these celestial forges. In the aftermath, a cloud of debris, heated to unfathomable temperatures, glows with the birth of heavy elements. Here lies the cosmic origin of much of the universe's gold and platinum. This titanic event births a kilonova, a luminous explosion that outshines entire galaxies, its glow a testament to the violent creation of the universe's riches. The aftermath of this cosmic cataclysm echoes through the universe, with gravitational waves reshaping celestial pathways and the kilonova's light journeying across eons, a beacon of cosmic alchemy. The heavy elements forged in the heart of kilonovae find their way into forming planetary systems, seeding future worlds with the materials necessary for life and the advancement of civilizations. From the cosmic collisions in distant galaxies to our own blue planet, the heavy elements from neutron star mergers course through our very existence, shaping technology, jewelry, and even the story of life itself.